Hey guys, so Smoky Sparkly Green Eyes is here. So I applied moisturizer all over my face and moisturized my face very well. So I will do my all makeup with one brush. I'm using a flat round brush and will make a crease line. First we started with applying a primer all over your lid. Don't forget to apply primer. Applying primer is very important step because primer helps you to smoothen your base. After that I will apply primer all over my face, nose area. When you apply primer on nose, it means makeup will not grease and makes your skin super smooth and flawless base. After that I will apply concealer to my lid. First I started with the under eyes, then eyelid. You will do the same thing to another side. And applying concealer where you needed. If you have any dark spots and uneven skin tone, then you can apply your concealer there also. That will absolutely correct your skin and even your tone. So after that I will nicely blend it. That gives you flawless look, and blending is the most important step if you want a makeup like a professional. So I blended my concealer very well, and you have to do the same thing. After that I will set my concealer with the face powder both eyelids. Face powdering is done, so your eyelid is ready for makeup. First, as usual, you have to apply a brown color. Tap it off excess. One thing you have to remember, you have to hold your brush like this way and blend it. Okay? You have to just hold your brush like a vertical position. Blend it nicely and take eyeshadow if needed till you get satisfied. Now I'm cleaning my brush in a damp cloth. Now it's ready to use. Now I'm taking a black shade just and applying it to my crease line, just to giving it a depth. You have to do the same thing to your both eyelid to give it a depth. You can also choose a dark chocolate brown color. I'm applying the same black color to my outer V and giving it a V shape. Now it's done. Move on to the next step, that's concealer. That I will apply to my inner corner of my eyelid. Applying it to my both eyelid, I will shape it with help of a small dot brush. Just making a cut crease. To make a cut crease, you have to remember to start it with a smaller area. That will help you to identify how bigger you have to draw a cut crease. I am drawing my cut crease and just detecting. Now just blending the last corners with help of finger or with help of brush. So I will also show you to how to you can blend it without a brush, just with help of a finger. A blended and soft cut crease with help of a finger. And this is how both look like. Side is brush and other side is with help of finger. Just removing the excess, picking up green shade and step. So first I will apply a green shade to my middle of my eyelid, then in a circle form that you can see it. Then I will repeat the same step to my another eyelid. First I will start with middle of my eyes, then will circle it. Now I will apply a sky color shade to my middle of my eyelid. Tap of extra and do the same step to my another eyelid. So now just taking the same brown shade and blending my all shade together to give it a smooth and a blended look. The main thing, if you do a eye look, just blend it nicely. You have to blend so many times to get a flawless look. So move on to the next step. I will apply a shimmery golden shade to my inner corner of my eyes. That will complete and gives you a complete look. So repeating the same step to my another eyelid and gives you a flawless and completed look. So blending it all together and gives you a finished eye look. Blending is the most important step you have to remember. So I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I will do my eyebrows. All you have to remember, first you have to draw a lower line, then you have to go with the upper line, then just go forward and blend it nicely, and that will gives you a flawless and a completed eyebrow look. And eyebrow is done. I will do the same thing to my another side, and you can clearly see the visible difference between my first eyebrow and second eyebrow. So I will start with lower line, then just fill it up all over my eyebrows. So eyebrow is done. Now move on to the next step, that is eyeliner. So move on to the next step, that is eyeliner. So I will apply a liner. First I will start with corner of my eyes. I will give a wing, then I will just line it up and fill the liner with black coal. Then I will apply the same gel liner to my lower lash line, just outer corner of my eyes. Then it's done. Now I'm just cleaning the excess that is sprayed when I was doing my eye makeup. So picking a brown shade and just blending it to my lower lash line. So I'm doing the same thing to my another eye. So I'm now going to wear lashes. First I will apply lashes glue to my falsies. Then I will just make it little dry. Then I will just wear it and adjust it to follow my lash line. So this side is done. Now I will wear it to my other side. Now I will apply the mascara to my lash line to merge it with, and doing the same thing. I was literally forget to apply sparkly glittery shade, so I'm now applying a golden sparkle to my inner corner of my eyes. Now all is done. Now I will clear my face. So now I will apply foundation all over my face. You have to apply foundation in this way, dot it off all over your face, then just blend it with the help of a beauty blender that gives you a flawless blended look. Blending is the most important step, so always blend your makeup nicely. I will always apply beauty blender to my high point of eyebrow area. In this way you can easily clean out your excess eyeshadow and give it a nice shape. Now I'm going to apply contour cream to my nose, side of nose, to enhance my nose and give it a sharp look. I'm not applying any cream to my side of cheeks, and now I will just set it with the face powder. I will apply face powder to all over my face. All you have to remember, you will apply face powder in that type form. In that way you will not grease your base, that will shade your base. I will apply blush to apple of my cheeks. Applying blush in a lifted form, that will gives you a lifted face shape. Next, I will round it up and just blend it in upward motion. I'm going to picking this shade to highlight my nose area and cheeks area. That now I'm picking a pink shade and apply lipstick and complete this look. I always blend lipstick with help of my finger. That will gives you a perfect lipstick look and not look like a layered lipstick. So all done. Now I will change it. So I created this look on my this wedding. Now I'm wearing my accessories. That time I was wearing a sea green lehenga and paired it up with a black blouse. It part my hair to wear mangtika. Now I'm wearing my rings and finally I wear my mangtika and complete my look. So here is the look. Also you can try this look with sea green color lehenga, green color lehenga and white color lehenga. And if you find this video helpful, so like this video, do subscribe and hit that bell icon that you will get notified every time and never miss on my any video, and share with your friends. Bye, see you next time.